Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today we are outside. Nice sunny day. Not too bad in the 40s. I want to go into the shed and start thinking about pulling out the lawnmower, the riding lawnmower. So I haven't been in here since last year. I want to say, I don't know, late October, early November. And just wanted to kind of look. I know I got some other things tossed in here, but yeah, I just wanted to see how the lawnmower is doing. From here it looks okay, and it won't be long and I should be cutting grass. Oh, wait a minute, I got a text alert. What is this now? A winter weather advisory? What? I don't know if you can see that. Winter weather advisory starting from 4 a.m. tomorrow till 1 p.m. for 3 to 6 inches of snow. Are you kidding me? Oh man. Hey Husky, sorry, I thought I could come and pull you out of here, but Mother Nature's got another thing, another idea. She wants to give us another dose of winter here. We had yesterday we woke up to 2.5 inches of snow, which was just supposed to be flurries, and now we got this. I don't know. I guess winter's still hanging on. We'll get to you sometime, hopefully before July, and we'll be back on the road. Sorry that you're still grounded, and we'll see what happens. I did get a jump on some spring work. I pruned the hell out of this thing. It's one of those burning bush trees. Those things get just so crazy. Here's the, I gotta get this all pulled to the back so I can burn this. But yeah, that's what this is all. Getting a little jump start. I know Mother Nature's got other plans, but hey, days like today I can get going on a little bit of stuff. I know I have to prune another one over there. This one I have to prune down. They get so big. I think I did this like 4 years ago, and I'm gonna prune the heck out of this thing. So then when it leaves out, you can't see that light at night. So I'm gonna prune this thing down. So yeah, looks like I can't put you away yet, or you away yet. Still gonna keep this on until we know for sure that the snow is gonna end. So we'll see what happens tomorrow when I wake up and probably see a couple inches of snow on the ground. So stay tuned. Well, looks like the weather guessers were right. Looks like we got about, I don't know, 4 inches of snow. It's just about over, but it's just wet, really wet. Snowman making material. So, going to plow out the driveway. I really like this ATV. It's a 2002. Has never given me any problems with this. I like the plow, and I like motoring around out here in the snow. So that should do it for this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Really appreciate it. I really do. And I'm looking, I know I got 122 subscribers, which I really appreciate, but let's go for 200 and then keep growing and growing and growing. So again, hope you like this video, and I appreciate everybody watching. Thanks for watching.